Hey there, welcome back to EndlessFoodPot channel. Today we are going to make a delicious dish called Misal Pav. Traditionally, misal is made with more sprouts, but today I am going to show you how to make it using mung beans. You can also use sprouted moth or mung beans, or simply follow along with the soaked mung beans for a quick and easy version. To start, take the mung beans that have been soaked overnight in a pressure cooker, add enough water to cover them, along with some salt and a pinch of turmeric. Boil them until you hear 3 whistles, then set them aside. Next, heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 finely chopped medium-sized onions. Saute them until they are translucent. After a couple of minutes, add 2 finely chopped green chillies and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook for another couple of minutes before adding 2 finely chopped medium-sized tomatoes and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything together well. Now it's time to add the spices. Add salt to taste, along with 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of goda masala. If you don't have goda masala, you can just use a bit more garam masala. Once the spices are mixed in, let everything cook together for a few more minutes. You can also add a teaspoon of sugar to balance out the flavors, though this is optional. Cover the pan and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Once the mixture is cooked, add enough water to create a gravy. Let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes to allow all the flavors to melt together. Don't forget to add some chopped coriander for freshness. While the gravy is simmering, heat a tawa pan and spread some butter on it. Cut a pav in half and roast the pieces until they are golden brown. Set them aside once they are done. Now let's assemble our misal. Start by spreading boiled mung beans on a serving plate. Top them with boiled potatoes, followed by a layer of farsan or badi sev. Pour the prepared gravy over everything, then garnish with finely chopped onions and chopped coriander. Place a couple of lemon slices on the side and don't forget to put the roasted pav on the top. And there you have it, Misal Pav is ready to be enjoyed. Remember, serving misal is an art, so take your time and enjoy the process. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!